All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, some good news for people that are on Nicehash or at least have some money locked up in Nicehash that they want to get out. It looks like as of this morning, withdrawals are gradually re-enabled today. Dear Nicehash users, withdrawals will be re-enabled slowly during the day. Your funds are safe, but please expect delays as we resume. Many people will be attempting to withdraw at the same time, and we will be making extra checks during this process to scan for any malicious activity. This will cause delays, and so it may take longer than usual to receive your funds. We will be releasing more information about the incident once the external security audit has been completed. This is an ongoing process and may take some time, but we will provide a transparent report once it has been fully assessed. User funds and data are safe and unaffected. The Nicehash security team successfully mitigated the attempted intrusion. They keep saying that. Yeah, so that's cool. Hopefully, you guys, if you have money in there, I guess you can go apply for a withdrawal. It looks like the direct to Coinbase is still not up, but you can withdraw to a Bitcoin address. And I assume they're probably doing manual withdrawals or manual confirmations because I would assume they're not turning on the automatic system. I have a feeling that may be something that happened is something automatically got approved and some money got out that wasn't supposed to. I don't know. It's all just a theory at this point. But if you have it, go get it. If you don't, I guess don't worry about it. I did want to say though, for people that were looking, this is unrelated to actually Nicehash, but Parallel Miner got back in stock, 48 terabyte NAS drive, and it comes with the Xeon quad core and 8 gigs of RAM for $975. It's not as good of a price per terabyte if you go down to the 24 terabyte for 720, and then it's even worse than that at 12 terabytes for 600. So best value definitely 48 terabytes. This is obviously for Chia or hard drive mining. Then they have an 8 terabyte for 550 and a 4 terabyte for 400 or 500. So yeah, those are back in stock. It doesn't look like there's a ton of them. Actually, they're out of stock. Out of stock. One in stock. Four of those in stock. 23 of the 8 terabytes. So the ones that are a great value are not actually in stock. Sorry about that. Anyway, there's a Parallel Miner link down below. To see the newest stuff that they have in stock, always go click on shop. And this is like the most popular stuff. Sort by latest. And that'll show you what's fresh, what's come back in, what people are buying, that kind of thing. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Give me old backpack spray right here. $900. What in the world? This thing better cure the old COVID right here. That's actually pretty cool looking. Looks like Ghostbusters. Alright, guys. Peace.